today's Monday, and on the agenda today is letting you know that your first quiz is this week. Primer examen. Okay, what is on the test? Basically, I take your homework, and I use these problems, again, on a test. And I look at your do nows, and I take the same problems and give them to you on an official test that's worth 45% of your grade.
45?
Yes.
Can you make it up?
No. You know why, Andrew? Because they're questions you already saw.
Can we use a notebook?
So you should already know?
Yes, and I've been, these aren't graded, but I've been giving you notes on, like, your mistakes. Some of you, I don't write anything because you're not making mistakes. But if you keep doing the same mistakes over and over, you got to pay attention to, like, why is she writing all over my paper? Oh, she's trying to tell me something. Because those are the same problems, Marley, we don't teach that in class. Those are the same problems that are going to be on your test. So your test is your homework. Your test, your do now. So you already have seen your test. It's your homework.
Yeah, you didn't write anything.
All right. So let's begin.
I might just get like a C in this class.
And I hope that you are able to check your grade on Aries sometime because I did update grades throughout.
A D?
Mean. Okay, Axel, we're beyond that now. Check later. Right now, we're doing this. iPads are off. We're doing this. All right. Does anybody know another word for mean? In math. In math. Yes, rude, definitely outside of class. Mean would be rude. But what is mean in math class? That would be the next thing I teach you. So keep that word in mind for in about 20 minutes. I'm going to ask you for that word. What is another word for mean in math? It starts with an A. Alright. Another word for mean is average. Another word for mean is average. So when we're trying to find the mean, we're actually trying to find the average. We're trying to find the average.
So a minimum?
No, minimum is smallest number. Okay. No, that's why I told you save that word for about 20 minutes. All right. Does anybody know from 6th grade, what is our first step in finding mean? What is the first step in mean? Anybody remember from 6th grade? What's your first step in mean? Yes. Very good. Yes, you do. Step 1. Step 1. Add all the numbers. Add all the numbers. Add all the numbers. So if you have 5 numbers, you add 5 numbers. If you have 3 numbers, you add 3 numbers. Add all the numbers. I gotta conserve battery on those. Okay? What's your second step? Divide. Divide by what? Do you remember? Very good. Good job. Very good. Step 2. Divide by how many numbers you have. Step 2. Divide by how many numbers you have. So if you added 5 numbers, you're going to add 5. If you added 4 numbers, you're going to divide by 4. So you divide by how many numbers you have. How many numbers do I have? I have 5 numbers, I have 4 numbers. How many numbers do you have? So you're going to add and then divide. Add and then divide. Okay? Okay. So, let's see. I was playing some basketball in a tournament. Yes, in a tournament. And I kept track how many points I scored per game. First game, I forgot to eat breakfast, so I only scored 5 points. Then in the afternoon game, I made sure to eat lunch, and I scored 10 points. I was pretty proud of myself. 10 points. You're writing this down, writing this down. And then the next morning, day 2 of the tournament, make sure to eat breakfast, get a good stretch. Scored 18 points. 18 points. Then in the afternoon game, I got a leg cramp. Leg cramp. Cut. So I had to go heat the bench. Only scored 2 points. But we made it to the finale. On the third day, I was ready. I ate my bananas for potassium, drank a lot of water, no more leg cramps. I was on it, and I scored 30 points. That's right, 30 points. Beat that, LeBron.
I think he has to be in 30 points.
I think so too. All right. What is the most points LeBron James has ever scored in a single game?
114. 114.
Record for points in a game is 61, set back in 2014.
10 years ago.
61 points, 2014.
All
All right.
How many?
You were born in
61.
2 years ago.
Oh, then you beat him.
What is the mean? What is the mean?
What's that?
What is that? Mean is your average. Mean is what every single teacher does to find your grade. Your grade is this. When they add up all of the numbers, all your grades, and then divide by how many assignments you did. So let's do it. Step 1, add. Also known as sum. Okay, so go ahead and add those up while I drink some water. Add them up, Maria. We're adding them up. Sebastian, add. Add. All right. Jesus Martinez, what did you get when you added? Very good. Now, do I stop right there? Is my average score 65?
Now you divide.
Now I divide. So a lot of kids think this is the answer. And it's like, well, did it make sense that Miss O'Malley scored 65 points on average? No, my total was 65. Now I got to do second step. Divide by what?
2.
No.
How many numbers?
How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide by 5. So be careful. A lot of kids think we divide by 2, but no. We divide by how many numbers are there? 5. So 65 divided by 5. So divide by 5. Remember, everything I write, you write. Todo lo que escribo, usted los escribe. Felizmente. Ándale. ¿Qué agarraste? Alan? 13. Do we agree?
Yes.
So our mean, promedio? I think that's what it is. Promedio. 13. I think in Spanish it's called promedio. I know. It's weird. Promedio. All right. So first step, add. Second step, divide. All right. So then I was looking at your scores for your homework. Phone calls have started, kids. All right. I was like, wow. The first 3 days, the kid got a 10, Then he missed a couple, so I gave him an 8. And then, on the next homework assignment, he scored a 7. He left a lot of questions blank, and I'm getting worried. And then on the last day of the week, on Friday, the student scored a 4, and I'm like, uh-oh, something's wrong. Because they're not writing down these numbers, they're just looking at me. But it's like, no, you got to write these numbers down as you listen to the story of your life. Play it out. So then I called home, and I said, Daniel, they've been doing great, but they're falling slowly to the dark side. What's going on? Oh, no, I will take care of it, Miss. I'm like, oh, I love that. So then the next day they got a 10 and then a 9. And I'm like, okay. Back to normal. So, what's your first step with all of these numbers? Add them. So go ahead and add them. You add before I do. Quietly, and don't shout out, please. We're going to give everyone some time to add, which is step number 1, also known as sum. So go ahead and add. Add. Go. Go. Use those fingers. Add them in any order that you want. Okay. All right, Need, what did you get when you added? What did you get when you added? Very good. 48 is the right answer for addition, for the adding. Number 2. Divide by what?
6.
Good. So, 48 divided by 6. What's 48 divided by 6?
8.
So that means after I divide, that's our mean. So our mean is equal to 8. Our mean is equal to 8. So add all the numbers that you have, divide by how many numbers you have. Should be fairly easy. Than trapezoid area. Okay. I was eating cookies. Yeah. So last night I only ate 2 cookies. This morning I'm like, I want more cookies. So I ate 4 cookies for breakfast. Breakfast of champions, Sophie. And then during nutrition, I ate 8 cookies.
I eat all of them at once.
It was the Costco size. I can't eat them all at once.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Yeah, what about like those Walmart sizes?
No, I bought the Costco size. It's like,
Everything's easy to get.
okay, so that's it. I just ate 2 cookies, 4 cookies, and then 8 cookies. So, gentlemen, tell me the sum, please, while I answer the phone. Yes, Miss O'Malley. Shh. Yes. Got it. All right, cool. Thanks, bye. All right, so what do I get when I add 2 plus 4 plus 8? What did you get? 14. All right. Number 2. You're going to divide by, what am I going to divide by? 3. Because there's 3 numbers, Andrew. So we're going to divide by 3. We're going to leave his comment. So 14 divided by 3, please.
That's 4.
Yep, they will be a decimal.
I knew it.
I don't think I like that.
3.5.
This is what we're going to do.
I mean, everything. Guys, it's 4.5. 4.5.
You know what you guys do?
It's not 24, it's 14. And
You do it, and then, no. Leandro, you have to do it.
Yeah?
Extra homework. Yay. You said nutrition, Jaden. All right. How many times does 3 go into 14?
3.5.
4. 4 times 3 is 12. Remainder 2. Now what?
20.
Decimal and a 0. How many times does 3 go into 20? 5 gives 5 times 3 is 15. 6. 6 times 3? 18. Remainder 2. 0. Bring it down. What's going to happen?
You just draw a line under.
It, on top. You're going to draw a line on top, not under. So, if it's a, what do we call this type of decimal?
Infinite.
Repeating. It's a repeating decimal.
That was infinite. So on top of the 6, right?
You can put a 0 here if you want, but that's a decimal. It's at the bottom. All right, your mean is equal to 4.6 with a bar on top. That bar on top means it's a repeating decimal. The decimal keeps going forever. So if you ever see that, it's a repeating decimal.
So infinite.
All right. 2, 4, 6, 8. Add those up.
Let's do it.
2, 4, 6, 8. Please add them. Add those numbers before I do, please.
What?
All right. What is the sum?
20.
20. Very good. What do I divide by?
4.
Divide by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. So our mean is equal to 5. Gentlemen, our mean is equal to 5.
It's not that funny, guys.
So ignore him. We don't need to comment. We just continue with ourselves so we don't get in trouble. All right, this worksheet. I like this worksheet because it breaks it down for us. Now, the first one we just did in our notebook. It's the very last question. We just did. So, What did we get when we add all these numbers up?
20.
So you're going to write it here, 20. So when you add, we get 20. Now, how did they get 4?
By the numbers.
They're numbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 numbers, so we write 4 right there. What's 20 divided by 4?
5.
That is our answer. We literally just did it together. Marley, let's write this down. All right, number 2. Okay, add them up, please. Add them up.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. This is when I work with like the kids who are like, wait, what? And those who are good, go.
Hey, Mr. Russian.
See, why didn't you go to your nutrition?
My stomach hurts.
Your stomach. But you're okay to respond to his. That's always good. Jada, I need you to scan out and leave your phone on the counter. Okay. Hey, Axel, Daniel, I don't need to be recording the fact that I gotta tell you not to respond again.
Daniel didn't even say anything. I heard it.
All right. So Axel, what'd you get when you added all these numbers up?
Which one? That one? Number 2?
No.
18 divided by 6 is 3. All right. So again, your first step, add all these numbers. It doesn't say what? All right. So we have this little half sheet. Mean. What's another word for mean?
Average.
So we're going to put the average set of data. So the average set of data is called your mean. What's our first step for mean? Add up all your numbers. Then what's our second step? Divide. The answer by how many are in the set. So add, then you divide. What do I divide by? How many numbers there are. If there are 5 numbers, you divide by 5. If there's 10 numbers, you divide by 10. All right, so let's do the example. Let's go ahead and add these. So Edward, we're going to concentrate on adding these. Go ahead and add them. So what's our sum? 20. And then we have to take 20 and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's 20 divided by 5? 4. So our mean is equal to 4. So first step is add. First step is add. Second step is to divide. All right, the next one is called median. Median. All right, median. Now, was it Daniel or someone? I can't remember exactly.
Axel.
When I said save that word for 20 minutes. So, what's that word I had you say for 20 minutes? Yes. No, that was the word I was looking for, but no one could say it. That was what we had before. So, what is another word for median? Middle. So, median is the middle number in a set of data. So medium, another word for medium is middle. So write the word middle, because you should know what middle means. In clothing, it's small, medium, large. So the one in the middle. All right. Now, what are our steps to find the median? Put the numbers in numerical order. So the first thing you have to do is put your numbers in order. Put your numbers in order. Then find the blank number. Middle number. Find the middle number. If you have two numbers in the middle, find the blank of the two numbers. Yeah, we're going to call it mean though. Yes, but you are correct, Daniel. So median is the middle number, the number in the middle. How do I find it? I put them in order and find the middle one. So in our example, what's the first thing we have to do? Put them in order. So go ahead and put these numbers from smallest to biggest. Smallest to biggest. Yes, it's always going to be smallest to biggest. Good question. So put these numbers. Which one's your smallest number? 2. Going to cross it out. What's next? 3. Cross it out. Oh, there's another 3. Yep, we repeat it. What's next?
5.
And then
7.
I always like to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 numbers. Now, this is the fun part. You get to cross out. We want the number in the middle. So front, back, front, back. Is the 3 right in the middle?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put a box around it. So the median is equal to 3. It's the number right in the middle. There's no adding. There's no dividing. This one's pretty easy because all you do is put them in order and then cross them out from the beginning, from the end. Now, I'm going to pass out glue that's right there. I want you to glue this one in your notebook.
On your next clean page.
On your next clean page. If you need the glue, use it. If not, pass it back to the people behind you. If you need it, use it. If not, pass it back.
No patience for you two.
Time that is 3 minutes to glue. 3 minutes to pass out homework.
Wow. Burnt homework. Never created homework. Dumb.
Wait, all of it?
It's pretty hard.
Preparing for your test on Friday.
I saw it.
Wait, that's all.
Are you sure we have to do
I'm just kidding.
homework? Is
Pretty obvious.
oh, miss, I know it's gonna be
Ew, orange. It's kind of orange.
Okay, if you're done with my glue, pass it in. And if your glue is
Blue edible?
No.
we'll give you the whole bunch.
Homework. Edward. Edward? You're killing me. Weren't you and Damien roasting each other? I heard. I have those messages. Edward, take the glue. Hey, we didn't get homework so we got 1 minute, so
I know, you can stay in your area for 1 minute.
I can't really. I get a little. Do the homework.
Yeah, we Bro. Rolando.
Look.
Can I get one?
You have
Homework is here. If you didn't